Happy New Year. I wish you all the best. You are live from Tokyo. I've never been there either. You stay at Ryokan. Yeah, man, because I figure this place must be like $200 a night. I'm gonna go to the garden area. But I think Zojo-ji Temple is nearby. That should be cool. Yo, Happy New Year, friends, Tokyo community. Let's enjoy today. It's kind of warm, not too windy, thank God. And yeah, let's enjoy this New Year's Day around Tokyo. Check out the nice fountains. I've always found fountains to be very soothing and definitely set the setting. That was an interesting show that the hotel put together. Is this the exit entrance to the garden? I don't know, but I'm gonna try to go through it to the temple. Most of the people went home to their countryside to see relatives, and there's some people here. Other than that, let's go check it out. Zojo-ji Temple. It's very bright right now. Yeah, pretty busy, but luckily there's tons of temples here in Japan, and lots of people. Whoa, that's a nice New Year's decoration. This is Zojo-ji right here at the foot of Tokyo Tower. Oh shit, it's very bright. And there's like tons of people walking from Tokyo Tower. I'm gonna try to walk around here for a while. Hopefully it's pretty cool. It's kind of warm actually. Lots of people buying and putting their fortunes on this wall here. Now, lots of people putting their fortunes, even some on the ground there. I bet the temple will take care of that. It's kind of cool. You basically buy your fortune. If you like it, you don't like it, you can still tie it to the wall. People buy arrows, blue skies. Hey, glad you're here. Yeah, very good to see you here. Felipe G says, here as well, storm clouds building. Ooh, dang. I hope I see blue skies soon. Actually, I already feel overdressed. You have to live in the sticks to use fireworks here. In my town and many others fine you for using. Oh, dang. Dude. I think to buy some kind of, I'm not so sure. It might be something related to the temple. I'm definitely here to buy something. But look at the scenery. Tokyo Tower there. People from they're buying something. So I'm gonna take the long way. There's quite a lot of people here. It's so bright. Woo. I'm gonna walk this way. I wish the cops would crack down on these. Yeah. I wonder what the cops do. Actually, I've always wanted to walk through this. I've seen it on other channels, so let's check it out. They have these beautiful pinwheels here. Check that out. Pinwheels and pinwheels full of, oh geez, they're spinning. It looks so beautiful. Many Jizo. But check this out. I saw it on Emmy when she did it and a few others. I forgot it was like, but look, I'm on super wide now. There are so many pinwheels. It's quite beautiful to see. Look at all those pinwheels. Oh, I think I need to go this way. Maybe I can't fit through. Let's not try. Let me just go walk it here. That would easily be over 5,000 per. Oh no, that's a lot. Check out the pinwheels. It's quite interesting. I've never really seen so many. Usually you just see Jizo statues. But, oh, interesting. To catch the firework people. So many pinwheels. Look at that, pretty. Lots of towns had signs on the roads today warning people that fireworks were legal. Whoa. So sad to hear people doing wild things. It looks like they have cherries here. little red and yellow cherries. I don't even know what plant this is. It's very interesting. So many little, and these have like black hats. This one's growing moss. All right, let's walk around. Lots of people in line to buy stuff. Wow. These tell you of the years you should visit this shrine, temple. Good luck. Good to know that. More people tying their fortunes to the wall. Ooh. Lots of smoke in Tokyo Tower in the background. Some context. These are care guardian deities of children. They are dedicated for the safety, growth of children and grandchildren, as well as for the memorial service for stillbirth and miscarried children. To protect and keep warm their heads, a red hat, red apron, and windmill are dedicated to the guardian deity of children image. Please refrain from touching. Oh, so that's what that's about. Looks like Buddha snail curls. There's another one interesting. There's quite a lot. Well, and this one very. Luckily the weather's good today. I can pretty much walk anywhere. Wow, look, these are really beautiful. Yes, children are precious. Mine just woke up and I don't know. She was sleeping in the car and stuff and all these. Let's go as far as the eye can see. I smell incense everywhere. See there. Maybe if you had a sad child incident, I dare not say, but like a sad birth, or you might come here to pay respects. Hey, Clay! Happy New Year! Back in Clay here. Howdy do! I wish you guys and Back in Clay happy 2025. And hope you visit Japan more, please. Yeah. There's a lot this year. This should be the thumbnail. We're only in Japan, man. Look at that. The view here, you can just see everything. Oh, remember. Yes. Felipe G, I am so grateful for your support. And thanks for supporting us, Tokyo Ball community. Thank you, Felipe G. And Clay, you too. You've supported us as well. Thank you guys, and I don't want George here. Is he sleeping? This is kind of interesting view. I'll keep walking now. And Neil too. Thanks for being a supporter. And SD of Bebe. Oh, bear buffer? I hope not. That's why Mook came out here. It's so pretty. I don't even know where this goes. Better now. That's good. Sorry, it's kind of bad. I think there's a garden here. How far does it go? It says on both sides. This one's crazy. Oh, weak network though, which is where I live. I like to go back to safe areas. Thank you for your super chat. I don't get many super chats these days. I really appreciate you supporting me and this channel and Tokyo Ball community. And yeah, it just goes back into the channel and keeps me doing this. So thank you so much. Good to see you. Happy New Year. That's why I'm going back to the main part of the temple. I'm thinking of walking to the beach. That sounds like a good idea. I would love to do that. Kind of far, but I've been thinking about it. Hopefully I can go and make a live stream or video near the beach. Oh, by the way guys, we'll be in Okinawa in January, so check out this channel for those live streams, videos. I'll be uploading a lot. Anyway, it smells like crazy incense. Is what people do on New Year's. Oh, cool, Felipe G, use the icons, cool. Get that holy smoke onto their bodies, which is so Japanese. Let's go super wide again. Get a view. This place is, see if I can squeeze myself more than here. Yes, Shibuya's a little crazy. They don't even have costumes, so I don't know, it reminds me of Times Square. I'm not really into that for now. Oh, cool, 50K, yeah, thanks. And then, yeah, Times Square, so Shibuya's a little crazy. I thought about it, but it seems could get dangerous too, like, yeah, in other parts of the world. Don't want to get smushed. Wow, there's a lot of people in front of me. So many people. Wow. Hi, Whittier. Happy New Year. Oh my god, there's so many people here. Look at the giant streamers and stuff. Look at this view. Tokyo Tower. I think I met Lemmy here like 4 years ago, 3 years ago. Boy, time flies. We keep walking now. Only cash here. Oh man, they got iPads. They probably sell little trinkets like omamori and like those, that what he's holding right in front of me, black little fortune. Boy, I haven't bought one of those in a while. But look at that. Well, there's a lot of foreigners. I would say it's like 1/3 foreign people and 60% Japanese people here. And maybe even 1/3 non-Tokyo people. So Japanese people from other places and then yeah. But most people have gone back to their countryside, I would say, to their families, I believe. There's a small shrine around the hill, Tokyo Tower. She's, ooh, you found that? That's pretty cool today. I wish I knew where it was exactly. And what the exciting thing is. Oh, there's some kind of show over there? I like shows. Is it like a monkey show? Sometimes they got that. Very small show. Cool. She's got an arrow. We got some of those. You buy those, take it home. Collects all the, you know, fortune, bad, good fortune. And then you take it back to the shrine where some places burn them. So, it's part of the, it took 2 years to learn this. Getting off. That was pretty interesting to me. So, yeah, let me show you. Happy New Year, Brandon. Look at this view of the entrance area. Of young boy has an arrow. This kid is sitting on his dad. And lots of fun. And this is the Tokyo Paul. I wish you all a happy, prosperous, healthy. Thank you all for watching and for all your support. And I hope I can be live again soon. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Happy New Year. Yori-san needs you. Go.